Students, today we will discuss a new topic, determinants. Before this, in previous sessions, we have studied the matrices and you have understood that matrices do not have particular values. Their algebra is quite different from the algebra of real numbers, but determinants are the real numbers. Remember, determinants are the real numbers and their values can be obtained in terms of a real number. They are denoted by these types of brackets. In matrices, we have studied that they are denoted by these brackets. A11 means element of first row, first column. A12 means element of first row, second column. A21 means element of second row, first column. And A22 means element of second row, second column. And they can be row matrix. There can be row matrix if it has only one row. Column matrix if it has only one column. Square matrix if number of row equals to number of columns. Identity matrix, etc. Several types of matrices. But remember, in determinants, we have only square determinants. Okay. Determinants are only of square type. Means number of row must be equal to number of columns. For example, if we take an example of determinant of order 2, it means it has only 2 rows and 2 columns. First row is A11, A12 and second row is A21, A22. Is that clear to you? Now, if we want to find its value, so first cross multiply in this order, means A11 into A22, A11 into A22 minus the remaining elements are also cross multiplied. So A12 into A21. In this way, we can find the value of a determinant. Remember, a determinant is always a scalar, that is a real number, while matrices are not the real numbers. Their algebra is quite different from the algebra of real numbers. All determinants follow all properties of the real numbers. Okay, for the multiplication, for the subtraction, we can multiply them directly by finding their values with this method if it is the determinant of order 2 cross 2. So this is the method to find value of 2 cross 2 determinants. Okay, and remember, determinants are always a square determinant. You can write this. Determinants can be obtained, means determinants are always square determinants, means number of row is always equal to number of columns in a determinant. Okay. In a determinant, number of rows equals to number of columns. If the determinant is of order 2 cross 2, write in your notebook, if determinant is of order 2 cross 2, then its value can be obtained by the method. Now write this method in your notes notebook. You have to make a separate notebook for the notes. And whenever you go for an exam, first read all the notes, then solve the sheets related to these notes, and you will be able to solve all the questions in that exam. Whether it is of board level or it is of competition level, any competition. Okay, these notes will be useful till you study. Determinant is very important. There is a determinant method by which we can solve the equations easily. Okay. Hope you all must have written what I have discussed. Determinants, to method to solve that. Note that determinants are always formed from square matrices. Okay. They are also a type of matrices, but their values can be obtained. So they are not the matrices actually. They are found from square matrices, means number of rows in a determinant equals to number of column. So this is the method to find the value of determinant of order 2 cross 2. For example, can you find the value of the determinant 3, 4, 2, 9? So find the value. So in this, first we multiply A11 with A22, that is 3 9s are 27 minus A21 with 1 A12. 4 into 2. So it is 27 minus 8 equals to 19. So it is very easy to find the determinant value of the determinant of order 2 cross 2. Okay. So now we will discuss the method of finding the value of the determinant of order 3 cross 3. So write the next heading: to find the value of determinants of order 3 cross 3. Determinants are always denoted by two parallel lines. Remember, the bracket is written as this. Two parallel straight lines. And then there will be 3 rows and 3 columns. If determinant is of order 3 cross 3, means first element is A11, element of first row, first column. A12 means element of first row, second column. A13 means element of first row, this is row 1, and third column. C1, C2 and C3 are the 3 columns. A21, element of second row, this is row 2, first column. A22, element of second row, second column. A23, element of second row, third column. A31, element of third row, first column. A32, element of second row, third column. A33 means element of third row and third column. So now we will discuss method to find the value of determinants of order 3 cross 3. For this, remember, the first important thing is minors. So before finding the value of determinants of order, first we have to find the minor of the determinant. Or remember, we can find the minors of matrices also. Before converting it to a determinant, it is a matrix also. Minor of matrices means of order 3 cross 3. So how to find the minor of matrix 3 cross 3? Whether we write it determinant or matrix, both of them have minor as well as cofactor. So this is the matrix of order 3 cross 3, and this is the determinant of order 3 cross 3. Okay, we know that it has no value, but it has minors. Its minors have value, same as the minors of determinants. So if we write M11, we read it as minor 11. Okay, it is read as what? It is read as minor of first row and first column. So how to find the minor of first row, first column? Minor of first row, first column is obtained by finding the determinant Minor of first row, first column is obtained by finding the determinant obtained by deleting first row and first column. Of the original arrangement means matrix. So how will you find a determinant obtained by deleting first row, first column means we will not write first row, we will not write first column, and the remaining elements will be written in the determinant. Means A22, A23, A32, A33. And we know how to find the value of the determinant by cross multiplication method. A22, A33 minus element of second row, third column into element of third row, second column. So this is minor 1, 1. That is determinant obtained by deleting first row and first column of the original matrix. If we write M12, M12 means what? It is the determinant obtained by deleting first row and first column. Okay. Determinant obtained by deleting first row and first column means how will you find it? Determinant obtained by deleting first row and first column. We have not to actually delete them, but writing the matrix or the determinant which is obtained by deleting first row and second column. M12 means determinant obtained by deleting first row and second column. Okay, means there will be elements. Which elements? A21, A23, A31 and A33 in our discussion. Is when we will delete first row and second column. It will have first row is deleted. A21, first row is deleted. Second column is deleted. A21, A23, A31, A33. And it can be obtained by the cross multiplication only. That is A21 into A33 minus A23 into A31. Okay. So this is the meaning of minors of a matrix. They are actually the determinants obtained by that row and that column which are mentioned. For example, if we want to generalize it like Mij means we write Mij means determinant obtained by deleting ith row and jth column. So now we will discuss some questions related to the theory which we have studied till now. These questions are given in this sheet. So read the question. Find the value of the determinant 5, 6, 4, 7. Row wise 5, 6 is the first row and second row is 4, 7. So how to find this? A11 is 5 into A22 is 7 from this formula, minus A21 is 4 into A12 is 6. 35 minus 24 equals to 11 will be the answer. Okay. Now in second question, we will discuss the minors. M11 means what? You all must have understood. M11 means determinant obtained by deleting first row and first column. So how will you find M12 in this question? How will you find M11 in this question? Find it with me. And tell if you have any doubt in comment box. First we write the determinant obtained by deleting first row and first column. Clearly, when there is matrix of order 3 cross 3, its minors will be of the order 2 cross 2, as one row and one column will be deleted. And determinants are always the square determinants. So first row is deleted, first column is deleted, remaining is 2, minus 5, minus 1, 3. So what will be the value? 2 into 3, 6, minus 5 into minus 1, 5. 6 minus 5, it is 1. Now find the value of M32 yourself. I'm giving you some time. M32 means what? Solve it. So how to find the value of minor 32? It is obtained by deleting third row. 8 minus 1, 3. And second column. So it is 2, 4, 7, minus 5. Clearly 2 into minus 5, write in bracket. As we cannot apply two signs together, multiply and minus. So apply bracket. Minus 4 into 7. So it is minus 10 minus 28, which is minus 38. Hope you also have found the same value of M32. Next is M22. M22 means determinant obtained by deleting second row, second column. Means 2, 4, 8, 3. That is 2 into 3 minus 4 into 8. 6 minus 32 minus 26. Next is M33. So you must have obtained its value also, which is obtained by deleting third row, third column, 3, 2, 4, minus 5, 3, 2, 4, minus 5, minus 15, minus 8 means it is minus 23. Okay. And 3, 3, 3, 4, 2, minus 5. Third row actually. It is 3, 1. is 2372. 2 2s are 4 minus 21, which is minus 17. So hope you all must have understood the meaning of minors of matrices. So we will move to the next important property of determinants. It is cofactors of a matrix. They are denoted by A11, A12, etc. So if we generalize this directly, Mij means minor of ith row, jth column. Similarly, Aij means cofactor corresponding to ith row and jth column. And remember, it is related to minor. Minus 1 to the power I plus j into minor of ith row, jth column. This is the formula for cofactors of a matrix. Aij equals to cofactor corresponding to ith row and jth column equals to minus 1 to the power I plus j into Mij, means minor of ith row, jth column. For example, if we discuss about the above example, how to find the cofactor in the given example. Which is, let's take another example. I have told you we can find cofactor and minors of a matrix as well as determinant both. 5, 2, 1, 3, 0, 9, minus 1, minus 5, 6. Okay. So if you want to find cofactor of first row, first column, means minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1. Clearly it will be positive. Into minor of 1, 1 means determinant obtained by deleting first row, first column. Now minus 1 whole square is positive. And determinant obtained by deleting first row, 5, 2, 1 in first column. 0, minus 5, 9, 6. That is 0 into 6 minus 5 into 9. That is 0 minus 45. So its value is 45, which is equal to its minor only. But when we find A12, we have to multiply by minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 according to this formula. Okay. Cofactor of ith row, jth column equals to minus 1 to the power I plus j, minor obtained by ith row, jth column. So A12 means minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 into M12 equals to, it is minus into first row, second column. First row is 5, 2, 1, delete. Second column 2, 0, minus 5, delete. 3 minus 1, 9, 6. Okay, 3 minus 1, 9, 6. So this is the cofactor of first row, second column. Now find its value. 3 6 first we have to write minus, then 3 6 18, minus 9. Two signs are there, so we apply the bracket again. Minus 18 plus 9 equals to minus 27. So this is how we can find the cofactors of any determinant of order 3 cross 3. In question number 3 of this sheet, you have to find the cofactors A12, A21, A23 and A31. Hope you will find them. So how to find them? First of all, find A12. So how will you find A12? By deleting first row, second column, minor is taken, and minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2. Clearly it will have the odd power on minus 1, so it will be negative only. into the determinant obtained by deleting first row, second column. Minus 13, minus 23, first row, second column. 26, minus 17. Which is equal to then minus 1 into minus 13 into minus 17 minus 26 into minus 23, which is minus 13 into 17, 221. Minus 26 into minus minus plus 26 into 23 is multiply 23 6 138. 13, 50, 46 plus 13, 59. Correct? 23 6 138. 13 will be power. 23 to the 46 plus 13, 59. Okay, correct. On adding, it is minus 890, which is the value of A12. Similarly, you can find the values of A21, A33, A22. So how will you find it? The value of A32. A21. So what will be the value of A21? A21 equals to minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 into minor of 21 means second row and first column will be deleted. A21, the second row, first column will be deleted. So what will be the result? Minus 61 minus 23. 38 minus 70. Multiply them to get the answer. It will be negative into 61 into 17. It must be 1037 positive. Plus will be again there 38 into 23. What will be the value of 38 into 23? 184, 18, 69 plus 18, 87. So get the answer. Minus, I think it is 1911. Okay, similarly, you can find the other values. So everyone, subscribe the channel and like the video. I will send you the link after the class. Okay. And share with your friends also, so they can also get the advantage.